What would Vermont be without our forests? I don't think you'll find a Vermonter who doesn't want to make sure that our forests are protected for the future. But what so many don't know is what it takes to keep our forests as forests. Here in Vermont, it's mostly small family farmers and woodlot owners who manage their working forests for maple syrup, recreation, wildlife habitat, and timber. Behind all that beautiful foliage are the people, businesses, and communities who keep our forests working. What better way to get to know them than to follow the life of a tree? They provide so much while they're in the forest, and then they give us even more when they're transformed into the products we use in our everyday lives. And every person who helps a tree along its journey becomes part of a tree's incredible story. Turns out, we can see the forest through the trees.